Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by clarifying purpose and constraints. Know whether these notes are for exam drills or quick morning review. Next, pick a compact format, Cornell for structure, bullets for speed, or a small mind map for relations. Once chosen, time box your first pass to 15-25 minutes so you force prioritization. While you work, highlight only keywords and core facts. Avoid full sentences. This first action creates a scaffold you will compress and refine in the next step. You now distill each section down, extract 3 to 5 core concepts, and turn them into compact cues. Use consistent abbreviations and symbols, arrows, approximations, plus slash minus, to save space and speed recognition. Once done, group related facts into one-line chunks that read like prompts rather than explanations. Make sure to link concepts with short connectors so you remember relationships. Also, create a short mnemonic or visual anchor for complex lists. So you finish by producing a single quick sheet or a small stack of flashcards with the distilled cues. Then test recall immediately. Cover the notes and recite each key point aloud. This reveals weak spots. If you miss items, simplify further, shorter prompts, stronger anchors, or split a dense chunk into 2 flashcards. Make sure to schedule short-spaced reviews. Troubleshooting tip: if notes feel jammed or confusing, delete redundant lines and rewrite the cue in your own words for clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.